you. Fuck you. Get out of here. Fucking my bed.
Remember, the goal is the castle. Get to the castle. Who wants to go first?
Oh no! Dear God, fuck you, no. What the fuck?
Hello? Yes?
Every second you're not running, I'm only getting closer.
Oh my god, somebody's been selling like a bootleg like Vshoujo merch. I've found them everywhere. I found like so much of it. I'm like, what the fuck? Ironmouse what? Ironmouse face mask? Ironmouse this? Ironmouse that? What the fuck? I couldn't believe my eyes. So much of it. Weird. Some of them has like weird ass art too, and I'm like, what the fuck? Who would wear these as pants? Oh god. Ugh, we've all had that happen to us. What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh god. I randomly get the urge to play Friday Night Funkin' like at 3 a.m. at the most random time. Yo, this I'm not gonna lie, this slaps. This actually slaps. What the fuck? Pepperoni. Ah! Oh my god, what the fuck? Ew.
Good evening. The person sending you this video wants you to know one thing. You're worth more than chicken nuggets. Now let that sink in. This person is saying that you're worth more to them than food.
What the fuck am I looking at? What the fuck am I fucking looking at? Keep on trucking, Mousy. Who the fuck makes realistic bird masks now? What the flying fuck? Oh, Kaboom! Kaboom! I found it on the internet. Don't know who made it, only that they're clearly great at their craft. Holy shit. Thank you, Kaboom, for the biddies. Thank you for the video. That was absolutely terrifying. Is there a bird in that fucking bird? Ew! Hate it. I hate it. I hate everything about it. Nope. What the fuck?
Raiders.
Show me the crabs!
Oh my god.
They're huge. That one's huge.
That's
Oh god.
really,
Oh god. Oh god, I think he found it. Oh god. Oh god.
that's really big.
Yeah, see if I can get him.
Oh god, and he's
wait for
barefoot!
you
Is he
here?
fucking nuts? Sorry, thank you for the biddies. I legit got chased by a land crab in PR. What the fuck? Ah! 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 Oh my god! Oh my god, it's a dog! It's a fucking
This is a proper big one. This is a massive one. I'd say this guy's 50 plus years old and a huge one, and that's what I've been
Holy
looking for.
shit!
Something this big out here on the remote beach. But not, there's a couple around me. Look, there's one right behind me there.
Yeah.
Not get him to bite me in the bum. This right here is a coconut crab or a robber crab. The reason they get their name is because they come in and they pinch everything. Thongs, GoPros, whatever they can get their hands on. They're a scavenger feeder. They feed on anything really. They're
Thongs?
actually a hermit crab. That's the part that normally goes in a shell, but they harden it over the years and they sort of don't need a shell anymore. So they are a hermit crab. They live to over 60
Yo, this
years old. So
crab
this
is
guy's
like,
quite a big
this
one. So he's probably
motherfucker better
50
put me
plus.
down
He's
right
older than me.
fucking
Absolutely
now.
Beautiful, beautiful crab. One of the biggest crabs, if not the biggest crabs in the world. Those big nippers right there are powerful enough to easily chop a finger or do some more damage. So they've got claws
You
at the
can
front
chop. Oh my
and
god,
at the
it can
back.
chop your
Absolutely
finger off?
beautiful.
What the fuck?
Oh, they're quite quick. They use these back legs to brush themselves, and they use these pointers here. They actually use them to stab other crabs and pick up stuff off the beach. But I'll get him back up in the jungle where I found him.
What if he just like yeets the crab?
Enjoy the rest of your day.
What if he just like get back in there in the jungle? Yeet! Japanese spider crabs? What's a Japanese spider crab? Hold on, I'm googling it.
What the fuck? Dear God.
These crustaceans are basically giant underwater spiders. One big difference being that they have claws strong enough to seriously damage human beings.
Oh my
Japanese
god.
spider crabs can have a lifespan of over 3 meters and can weigh almost 20
Bruh,
kilograms.
what the fuck?
Big enough to be capable of devouring a human child. How safe would you feel in a tank with one of these things? At the end of its extremely long legs are claws
Ew, why is it? Oh god, what the
that are
fuck?
known to be very strong and prio.
Look at his small little claw.
Spider crabs belong to a group of decorator crabs that cover their shells with items from their habitats to camouflage and protect themselves from predators. Maybe the most unsettling feature of these
What
ocean
the fu-
dwellers
oh my God,
is
they're
their
fighting.
apparent immortality.
What?
Spider crabs are known to easily lose limbs to predators and human nets, but they can survive while missing up to 3 limbs
What
and
the
can
fuck?
even regenerate them throughout their long lives. Although they may seem scary, they're actually not that intimidating. And molting is one of their first signs of vulnerability. As they grow bigger, their protective exoskeleton becomes too tight. Molting is the process of growing a new shell to replace the old one. The crab will take in a lot of
what the
water so
fuck?
that the body swells up and forms a crack in their shell that they can crawl out of. Once they're out of their shell, their soft body is exposed for approximately a week while their new shell hardens up. In that time, they're very vulnerable to predators like octopuses
Oh
and
my
stingrays.
god, what the fuck? That was
To most marine
disgusting.
life, spider crabs aren't really